Hi, friends.
Tyler, what are we going to do today?
This.
What is that? Can you say terrarium?
Terrarium.
Terrarium.
Yeah. Okay. I can open it up.
Do you want me to help you?
Yeah. I got so many in it.
You can put anything you want into your terrarium. So let's get started. Are you excited?
Yeah. Wow. Thank you for